The Lincoln Navigator SUV features wireless charging for your phone, as well as multiple power points located throughout the vehicle to help your passengers conveniently power and charge their devices on board. You can use the wireless chargers when the vehicle is running or when it is in accessory mode with the touchscreen turned on. The wireless charging area is located inside the media bin of the center console in the front row. On Navigator Black Label, a second wireless charger is located in the second row center console. Charging is simple. Just place your device on the center of the charging surface with the charging side, which is the back of the phone facing down. Charging will stop after your device reaches a full charge. You will see a battery icon appear on the center touchscreen with a charging symbol when wireless charging is in progress. If charging has been interrupted or stopped, the charging symbol will disappear. The Lincoln Navigator features a variety of power ports located in all rows. The front row includes 4 standard smart charging USB ports in the media bin. On reserve models, the second row features multiple smart charging USB ports and one 120-volt AC power outlet behind the front console. The Lincoln Black Label Navigator offers 2 USB ports located at the bottom of the Lincoln Play rear seat entertainment system. As we move to the back of the vehicle, the third row features 2 smart charging USB ports that are located in both rear quarter trim panels. In the rear cargo area, there are also 2 smart charging USB ports and a 120-volt AC power outlet. There are plenty of locations throughout the Lincoln Navigator to help keep your devices and your passengers' devices powered up. Thank you for watching.